Brexit is in the news a huge amount at the moment. It's something that you've campaigned about yourself, calling for a second referendum. I was wondering about your thoughts on it generally, but also how it might affect maybe the kind of Hollywood film, all that sort of idea. Are you worried from a personal point of view, but also...
I'm not worried from a personal point of view, because I'm in a situation where I'm sort of inured and inoculated against a lot of economic things, because I've got a financial cushion, and but not many people do. To me, I think it's inevitably going to have a negative impact. I think it sends out all the wrong signals.
We can't end the interview about Laurel and Hardy on Brexit, a horrible thing. I would like to end the interview on behalf of Oliver Hardy. I would like you, Aoife, to have this rose.
Thanks very much. Call it the Brexit
Basically,
rose.
Brexit's about. I don't think it's going to happen, to be honest.
Yeah, you don't.
No.
Yeah, you think.
I hope we never even have to say that word anymore. It's so terrible.
I know.
Well,
Enough already.
Yeah, I know. It's no laughing matter.
Well, the question was for me.
Yeah, I know. But you want to talk about Brexit?
No, it's like.
All right, go ahead.
Like,